What do you think about Optimus being able to handle tasks that involve water, such as washing dishes, watering plants, cleaning food, mopping floors, or bathing pets? Essentially, Tesla must equip the Tesla Optimus with water resistance before starting deliveries at the end of this year or early next year, because this is fundamental for it to effectively assist humans in various tasks as a homemaker or companion. Elon Musk has emphasized that the Tesla bot can do anything you want, even tasks it has never done before. Most recently, Optimus's hands have been upgraded to provide comprehensive water resistance and antibacterial protection. With this capability, humanoid robots have never been more reliable. So, why does Optimus need water resistance? How important is this feature? Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. In the era of rapidly advancing technology, water resistance has become a crucial feature for modern devices, especially robots and smart gadgets. More than just a functional aspect, water resistance opens up vast possibilities for extending the range of applications and enhancing the durability of devices in daily life and work environments. Take the iPhone as an example. Early versions lacked water resistance, but over time, it became a must-have feature. For a $20,000 robot like the Tesla bot, water resistance is indispensable, especially when used outdoors, where it may face rain, high humidity, or unexpected situations like floods. Even more straightforwardly, many tasks it performs involve contact with water. Many questions have been raised about the Tesla bot, such as whether it can wash its hands after completing a task. Some feel uneasy at the thought of it cleaning a bathroom and then immediately preparing food in the kitchen without washing its hands. Others worry about it breaking down after a few rain showers while operating outdoors. Clearly, no one would consider purchasing Optimus if these concerns weren't addressed. Thus, we confidently predict that Optimus will feature comprehensive water resistance. Looking at the design of Optimus, about 70% of its body is encased in plastic. This not only makes it lightweight, but also provides excellent water resistance. Of course, certain parts remain exposed, such as the arms with visible cables and actuators. This understandably leads to skepticism about whether Optimus's hands can handle water-related tasks like washing dishes or doing laundry. However, the new generation of Optimus's hands demonstrates significant improvements. In the video where Optimus catches a tennis ball, its 22-degree of freedom hand appears to be nearly entirely enclosed, almost like it has an additional glove layer, suggesting water resistance and the capability for more complex tasks. Comparing the left and right hands in the video, you can see a substantial difference in design. Elon Musk has also shared that
the hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
This actually quietly reveals that Optimus's hands will function like human hands, capable of performing tasks that human hands can do, regardless of terrain, weather, or environment. Water resistance not only protects sensitive components such as circuits and actuators, but also minimizes the risk of damage, helping to extend the product's lifespan. This means users will save significantly on repair and maintenance costs. With the Tesla bot, its battery is also securely enclosed, much like how Tesla does with its electric vehicles, to the point where water is almost completely inaccessible. In summary, the combination of the new, flexible hand design and the protective plastic covering around the body allows this robot to have reliable water resistance. This is not only a technical achievement, but also a testament to Tesla's vision of creating intelligent, powerful, and dependable robots. With water resistance and many other smart features, Optimus will become a valuable assistant for many useful tasks. Clearly, none of us want to wash dishes, right? Once again, please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you.
In fact, when it comes to competitors in Tesla's humanoid robot field, the list is extensive. However, if we were to highlight one robot with superior specifications compared to Tesla's Optimus, Unitree H1 from China is getting lots of attention.
It's expected to cost much less than a car.
I'll just bring it directly to the right here.
I would say probably less than $20,000 would be my guess.
The anticipated selling price of the Tesla bot is always an advantage, confidently securing customer preference, as $20,000 is not a significant amount to make many people hesitate. However, when it comes to Unitree H1, it's a different story. Yeah, $150,000, the selling price set by the manufacturer. Yes, that is quite expensive. It's more expensive than 2 Model X cars combined and may lead many of us to reconsider adding it to our shopping carts. Previously, when discussing the price of Optimus, Elon Musk mentioned that their robot would be cheaper than a car produced in millions every year.
The Optimus is designed to be an extremely capable robot, but made in very high volume, probably ultimately millions of units, and it is expected to cost much less than a car.
While Unitree has been commercialized and is set for early delivery this year, on Tesla's end, Musk has stated that Optimus is still in the development phase to achieve maximum utility, with few deliveries expected in 2025. For a robot priced at $150,000, it must undoubtedly feature superior technologies worthy of the price, at least holding the title of the fastest humanoid robot in the world. So, what makes Unitree H1 confident that it'll overwhelm the Tesla bot? Similar to the Tesla bot, Unitree H1 is designed with various applications in mind, including research and development, education, and service industries. Speaking of its size, as you can see, it truly looks quite simple from design to appearance, all wrapped in a mysterious black color that makes everyone eager to explore. We're not sure if humanoid robot manufacturers adhere to any specific size standards, but the truth is, from Atlas Boston Dynamics, Tesla Bot, Kepler Forerunner, and Unitree, they all fall within 5 feet 10 inch range, a size that brings efficiency in resembling human stature the most. Not stopping there, to achieve the ability to walk at a speed of 3.3 meters a second, part of it seems to rely on the impressive weight of the Unitree H1, compared to the 103 pounds. Looking at the simplicity of this humanoid robot, surely the manufacturer must have focused quite a bit on the material and weight of the machinery inside it. You can simply focus on its head, which is an interesting hollow head. Of course, 103 pounds is significantly lighter than the current 138 pounds of Tesla's bot, and its speed also surpasses considerably the 0.6 meters per second of Optimus. Optimus only has 2 degrees of freedom in its feet for balance. Unitree H1 has the advantage of being both light and tall, designed to maintain a stable standing posture, even in situations requiring enduring strong shocks at fixed points. It remains stable even when it's kicked. The special thing is based on a maximum torque of up to 360 Nm at the knee, hip torque of 220 Nm, so this robot can confidently move and operate on difficult terrain and in complex environments. Detailed information about the number of degrees of freedom in the leg section has also been revealed. There's a total of 5 degrees of freedom, including 3 at the hip, 1 at the knee, and 1 at the ankle. This indicates the flexibility and adaptability of the robot across various terrains and in many different situations. The Unitree H1 not only demonstrates unprecedented walking speed, but also showcases advanced whole-body coordination by dancing, climbing up and down stairs effortlessly, as well as doing high jumps comparable to those of a man standing next to it. All these possibilities raise concerns that there will be a big gap between the two robot technologies. Is this true? Alongside its sturdy, stable design, high flexibility, and superior mobility, the H1 excels in adapting to various complex environments and terrains. At first glance, it may seem incredibly impressive enough to leave the Optimus robot behind, but in reality, both the Unitree H1 and the Tesla bot boast equally efficient performance metrics without significant differences, with Tesla Optimus even slightly edging out. Firstly, it's quite puzzling to learn that the Unitree H1 only has 864 watt-hour battery pack and a maximum voltage of 67.2 volts. With such a battery size, the robot will operate for a shorter period, approximately around 5 hours or less, due to Unitree's relatively fast walking speed, which consumes more energy. For modern industrial robot products, this seems lower than the prevailing standard. Typically, robots designed for continuous operation over long periods are equipped with more robust battery systems, especially in applications that require a continuous operation like in industrial environments. At Tesla Bot, the initial prototype was confirmed to come equipped with a 52-volt, 2.3 kWh battery pack with integrated electronic devices for cooling and energy management, located in the chest area of the body. With the Gen 2 update, Tesla engineers have been able to upgrade to a higher capacity battery pack in the latest update, but they are hesitant to disclose it because they were worried about copying that continues to occur. The standard 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack allows Optimus to operate continuously throughout the day or somewhere around 20 hours, depending on the usage scenario. In today's episode, we'll explore the updates to look forward to for Optimus in the coming year. Currently, you can see it's still moving with what many people jokingly call the walk like Biden, and its ability to perform complex tasks is limited because its hands are not completely developed. Furthermore, Optimus is still being operated via remote control instead of fully automated. However, all these limitations will soon be a thing of the past. Elon's confirmed that by next year, we will witness a completely transformed Optimus. So, what is Tesla perfecting for the Tesla bot? The ability to automatically charge and climb stairs is probably the most impressive and most discussed. While we don't have to manually charge Optimus when it runs out of battery, people really wonder if Optimus can move downstairs. We still haven't seen Optimus come down the stairs. It seems a bit more difficult than going up, as you got to stretch your legs and fall forward while maintaining upper body control and balance. In vids where Optimus walks or squats, his ability to maintain focus is truly impressive, or when it carries 11-kilo battery trays, it still looks pretty comfortable without swaying or to indicate overexertion. The movement speed of Optimus has improved significantly. Currently, it's 2.2 miles an hour, still kind of slow, but by next year, we can expect it to go faster and go upstairs and down them more easily. Recently, the topic of Optimus being teleoperated has sparked lively discussions from the We Robot event in October to Tesla's latest demo videos. These have all been confirmed as teleoperated systems. The most recent examples of videos showcasing Optimus's new hand design, allowing it to catch a tennis ball with near perfect accuracy. However, Tesla engineers also confirmed that this demo was teleoperated as well. Now, perhaps the majority will misunderstand that Optimus is not completely automatic and the tasks it previously performed were all human intervention. From there, it's not really as useful as Elon said. It's going to take a lot more time to train it if you bring it home. However, this is completely wrong because we bet everything that once they're sold on the market, there will be no teleoperated story there. The truth is that even when the Tesla bot is teleoperated, the hand speed in grasping the tennis ball is still pretty amazing. For example, if you control something remotely, there's always a certain delay compared to real time. Optimus's new hand is incredibly impressive, and some think it's like a Velcro glove. But look at the way the ball comes off. It doesn't stick to the hand. What do you think when you see this? When it did catch the tennis ball with all 5 fingers, that was pretty impressive. Elon's been talking about 22 degrees of freedom for a year now, and you can finally see how different this is from previous versions. If the robot can do this via remote control, then this is the way to train it. After doing thousands of times, the robot can do it on its own. As Elon explained that Tesla Optimus to catch tennis ball autonomously next year, and he wrote easy move to connect AI vision with arm actuation to catch autonomously will be done next quarter. We are just testing the actuation and sensor system here. It's worth looking forward to because we personally don't expect Optimus to be teleoperated during the missions it performs, which really is not good if Tesla goes on for a long time. Now, let's explore Optimus's runtime, how long it actually lasts before needing to be recharged. We know the original Optimus was confirmed to have a 2.3 kilowatt battery for Gen 1. Tesla has not given us the size of Gen 2's battery, but it confirms that Optimus uses the 4680, and that's Tesla's best battery technology to date. For example, if Optimus Gen 2 has a 4680 battery with 2.5 kilowatt hours, it could go at least 10 hours before needing a recharge. The robot's battery is different from those used in EVs. It'll consume less energy because the robot primarily does things while standing still, with only a few tasks requiring continuous movement. We think that if Optimus were to move around frequently and carry loads, its battery life would deplete much quicker. However, a recent update showed how Optimus is recharged, and this is something that really surprised us. Before, we all assumed that charging Optimus would be similar to charging an EV, taking it to a charging station and plugging in a charging cable. However, the reality is quite different. Optimus can recharge itself without the need for the user to plug in a cable, meaning the charging process is fully automated just like Cybertruck. Optimus is equipped with Tesla's neural network and advanced computer vision. Thanks to the neural network, Optimus can learn and perform complex tasks just by watching them for the first time, and it can relearn quickly too. That sounds unbelievable, but one day when you own an Optimus, you could just simply give it a video of your favorite musician playing a song, and the robot analyzes every hand movement, chord, and rhythm. Then it will guide you step by step in a completely natural way, almost learning from a professional teacher.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
To perform all these tasks, in addition to its brain for processing info and storing data, Optimus also has an important component: its special hands, referred to as the best robot hands in the world. An interesting fact is that the robot can still be useful even without legs, but without hands, it would just be a useless metal shell. The reality, many tasks require humans to stay seated without moving much, making the hands more essential than legs. While Optimus's current speed's 2 miles an hour, that's kind of slow. It's the robot's dexterous hands, offering precision and capabilities, that set Tesla apart from the competition. Elon said Optimus's hands are one of the most labor-intensive components for the engineering team. The actuators and sensors are all designed from scratch based on basic physics. Specifically, the hand, starting from the elbow down, got the most focus in terms of engineering. However, creating a hand with 22 degrees of freedom was no easy feat. It required a lot of advanced techniques, ensuring the wiring functions are like tendons in a human's hand. The actuators must be positioned precisely, because if they're placed the wrong way, the hand would either be too big or lack the necessary freedom and strength to function properly.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
Now, if you pay attention to Optimus's hands, you'll see that the robot is one of the few with a fully articulated 5-finger hand. According to Elon, he said that human fingers are of different lengths to improve dexterity. This variation helps with performing intricate tasks. If you were to lose your pinky, you would definitely feel a decrease in dexterity. Therefore, the fact that Optimus has 5 fingers with different lengths similar to the humans give it a huge advantage. With 22 degrees of freedom compared to 27 in a human's hands, that's a remarkably small gap. To compare, most other robots have fewer than 10 degrees of freedom in their hands. So if a human can do 100 tasks, Optimus's hand should be able to do 70 of those tasks. As Elon said on X, so much engineering's gone into the hands. In a year, it can thread a needle. That's an ambitious goal, because even us humans sometimes struggle with threading a needle. With around 8 2D cams and highly sensitive sensors, imagine a robot that could serve as a dedicated guard patrolling your home. Although there's still technical and ethical questions to be addressed, like the replacement of jobs through automation and the role of AI in society, the potential of Optimus is enormous. As Tesla continues to innovate, the world is waiting to see how this groundbreaking product will evolve. What do you think about the utility of robots in helping humans? Do you think Tesla will succeed in making billions of Optimus robots? Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.